my lights, and they're not bent, broken, or cracked. My name is Sierra. I live in Katy, Texas. I'm a truck driver. I've been driving for 8 years.
What?
I'm addicted to snorting cleaning powder.
Hell no!
The smell drew me into it, and it feels really, really good. And when I'm sniffing it, it's amazing.
You
I
about to
even
be
got my
dead
nails
in
to
like
match the
2
cleaning
weeks.
powder. It's my favorite color. This is lemon scented, and I love lemons. It's my favorite.
Hell no! She did that professionally. She started that shit.
Relaxation. I can do this all day. Out of all the cleaning products, this is the one